If your hair is dry, dull, or breaking, this simple natural resin made from pineapple leaf, banana peel, and hibiscus will bring your hair back to life. Watch to the end and see how to make it and why it works wonders. Guys, please, if you know that you haven't subscribed, this is your first time crossing this channel, can you do me a favor and subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscriber, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. Now let's move to the video, guys.
She said she will help me. Let me
Well,
just leave her.
so
I'm going to make racing tea. Look at her hair. So today I'm going to open her hair, but before opening it I have to prepare racing tea. Everything have to be ready. Yesterday we make leave-in conditioner. Yeah, okay, put everything inside and we go. Mama, yes, put everything. Yes, I should put the phone there. You want me to put the phone there? Okay, I was holding the phone, so she asked me to put the phone inside the ring lights. Okay, I put you, madam.
Okay, my lovely family, let's start and check and see the benefit of these ingredients. I'm so sorry my voice is not good, but I have to edit this video because there are some part that is there my daughter tried to to bring me trouble. So pineapple leaf, let's start from the pineapple leaf. Pineapple leaf is rich in vitamin C and vitamin B6 and antioxidant that boosting collagen and strengthen hair follicles. It helps improving scalp circulation for the faster hair growth. It's also natural cleanser the scalp, reducing dandruff and itchiness. So using pineapple leaf, whether you are going to use it as a living in, boil it as a living in spray, or you are going to use it as a racing tea, it's having a lot of benefit. Or you can also dry it to infuse oil, or you can use the fresh one even to infuse your oil. So now after put inside, I added my ingredients. Now my daughter say no, I shouldn't take it away, but I have to put it on fire to boil it. So now let's check and see. Banana peel also, I added banana peel. Banana peel also is loaded with potassium and biotin and amino acid that deep nourishing dry hair, soften strand, adding shining and reducing freezing. Banana peel also is perfect for repelling damaging ends and promoting electricity to your hair. So after that, the last by the ingredients that I added inside before put the things on the fire was hibiscus. I added hibiscus also. Hibiscus also known as a flower of hair care. Now guys, as you guys can see, after I boil it, I leave it for 12 hours before bring it here, and I'm about to strain it. So hibiscus, also known as a flower of hair care, is packed with vitamin C and iron and amino acid that stimulating hair follicles and preventing premature gray and promoting new growth, and also adding natural glows to the hair. So hibiscus is very good also while you are using. So now after straining, I'm showing you that's the my pineapple leaf and a pineapple leaf, banana and hibiscus. I'm just showing you guys maybe the ingredients again, but that's the banana peel. But definitely I will write it in the description below in case you want to make it for yourself. You can just check the ingredients and also the oils or the essential oils that I added. So now after straining it, I have my cold press avocado oil which I made for myself. Please, you can check my channel if you are interested to make your own avocado oil at home. You can watch that video and also learn. I'm also just do it as an experiment, but it's go very well for me. So that's my cold press avocado oil I'm holding in my hand. It's also full of vitamins vitamin E and vitamin D. It's deep moisturizing the strands, weak and also repelling damaging hair, preventing hair from the dryness drying out. So avocado cold press oil is very powerful, guys. It's very powerful. And also I added 1 tablespoon of aloe vera oil. Aloe vera oil also is smoothing the scalp, fighting dandruff, and helping minimize the dryness from your hair. It's giving your hair healthy scalp, adding shining and hydrating your hair naturally. So I added lavender essential oil also. It's also promoting, calm to your scalp, and also improving your scalp circulation for faster hair growth, reducing itchiness, and giving your hair luxurious scent. Your head will be smelling very good. So this thing, how to use it, at least after you wash your hair, when you rinse it, you use it to rinse your hair. You will not put water in your hair again and come out. Or you can also use it and cover your hair, sit down like 2 hours or 3 hours, and go and wash it off if you want again. Or there are so many ways you can use it as a leave-in spray. That one I'm holding, a leave-in spray. We all know that leave-in spray, you don't wash it off. You will use it, you don't wash it off. You have to keep it inside your hair at least a week time. You wash your hair and continue again. Thank you very much.